what do you want from me? ARs and them 223s, fucking around with me, you see I'm.
Hey guys, good afternoon. So right now, I'm vlogging on my phone. I know, I'm so distracted. But this is my outfit. Well, actually, I'm gonna show you when we leave the hotel. I just did a tutorial on these eyelashes. These are magnetic lashes, and I'm so impressed. This is from Bourgeois Cosmetics. So I'm gonna have a link where you can buy these at too. So hold on, I need to pack my purse. We're supposed to go out to eat. We're gonna get an Uber there because she doesn't want to drive. Okay. Look at my camera. Look, it won't close. See, and then you hear that, guys? See, that message pops up. So as soon as we get back home, we have to get this fixed. If they could fix it. So anyway, I'm thinking about wearing my favorite purse, something simple. Yeah, we decided this purse, right? This would be cute one.
Yeah.
What time did you want to leave?
We should be heading out now.
I know. I need my money out and stuff like that. What hotel is this? Okay. Alright, so I've been trying to vlog as much as I can. I'm thinking about doing this in like a docu-series or something like that, a mini-series. I'm not gonna combine the vlogs. I'm thinking about doing everything separate. Like you get it like every day we want their own vlog. What do you think, Ma?
I like it.
So yeah, so literally every day we have some content. I've been doing some tutorials. I really like these eyelashes. I'll keep on looking at them. Simple, my makeup simple too today. Yeah, I'm gonna link everything in the description box, but we have, okay, each magnetic lashes come with a set of 3. So you get 3 different pairs. And we have, if you don't like dramatic like this one, these are, well, this is not really dramatic. These are just long. We have other ones for people who don't like long. So, I'll show you guys. Okay. So yeah, me and my mom was talking, and we was talking to a cocktail server last night, and well, this morning, and we was talking to her. We was like, Vegas is so packed, so busy. But then I was thinking, like, people are getting tired of the quarantine, like I am, so they want to go out. I need to book an Uber. This video, like, when downstairs. It shouldn't be that far. Okay. Anyway, so I'm gonna see you guys probably when we go downstairs or when we get to the restaurant. We haven't eaten all day. It's 1 o'clock now, and I'm hungry. Okay, so I'm gonna see you guys there. Have a good day. Okay. How are you getting here? That way?
Carrot, podium 2, carrot, podium 2.
We're here, guys.
Podium 6.
She's seated already?
Ashley G, podium 7. You tables ready? Ashley G, podium 7.
Look at that uniform. Thank you. Yes, that's fine. Yeah.
Just letting you know that everything on the menu is 24 hours, so breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
Oh, perfect.
And if you want to, you can remove your mask. Just if you're going to use the bathroom, you have to have it on.
Okay, perfect. Thank you. Thank you. Right. Right. Thank you. Right. I can't breathe.
Here, and I renewed the minimum wage was $8, $9, and then I got a You still in the hotel? I mean the bank?
No.
Can I get a straw and some lemon, please?
Make that all the way around.
Yes, please.
Any other drinks besides the water?
Can I have a virgin strawberry daiquiri?
I'm gonna send you a cocktail waitress over, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Is that gonna be your purse? Oh,
Thank you.
Vegas.
Hey guys, so we're waiting for our Uber to drop us off at Fat Tuesday because we want another cup. What do you want to do today? Oh wait, our Uber. Hold on, let me go check. Hold on, guys. Ooh, they made it, girl. I know. So look, it's Pinot Royale. Y'all in line? Wait, they in line, Mom. She in line. We're at the end of the line for Fat Tuesday. It's like, how many people in 50? How many people you think this is? 100. She's so dramatic, it's not 100. Oh my god. Like, you didn't walk the line? I walked it. I'm glad we got an Uber though. We Ubered here, guys.
Just for this cup to be filled.
Yeah. That's crazy. And like our Uber driver, the Uber driver was telling us that it's been like this overpacked since quarantine, like as soon as they lifted the what was it called? Since they reopened.
Right.
It's been like this, guys.
It's just the only thing that I love Vegas. Don't get me wrong. I just don't like the young people.
You see all the young people she's talking mess about them.
What they gonna do?
They all love them.
And someone tells me, why did everybody buy the go kart?
Shut up, these people. She's so rude. She's so rude.
But we're gonna get one next time.
Right.
Look, can you imagine what he had done?
Oh, we had it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it would. But it is. And I think it was Sunday. Like, since it's Sunday, it shouldn't be as busy, but no. Okay, guys. I'm going to come talk to you when we get in the middle.
$20 in player payback free slot play credits for the first $20 of loss. But it doesn't stop there. Play on and earn $20 in instant player paid to your account and are available for immediate download.
You want pizza? Okay, so I got my Fat Tuesday cup, and right now we just placed our order at Johnny Rockets.